beautiful. So beautiful. You're too fat.
You're too skinny.
You're so beautiful.
Why do you have so much acne?
You're so talented. You don't know anything? Look at them, they're so successful.
You're just wasting your time.
And that's okay. Why waste it worrying about what others think of me?
इग्नोर द नॉइज. जो लोगों के वर्ड्स होते हैं, ओपिनियंस होते हैं, जो आपको बैडली अफेक्ट करते हैं, जस्ट इग्नोर.
Listen, someone out there will always be better than you, smarter than you, or more successful than you. That's life. But guess what? Happiness is not a competition. What matters more? Are you happy? If the answer is yes, then you're already winning. Happiness is not a competition. Let me tell you something. You are not here to impress the world. No, आप यहाँ world को impress करने नहीं आए हो. No, you are here to live your best life. So do what really makes you happy. Do what makes you smile. And remember, it's just me, myself, and I. It's all alright until I die. Yes, it's just me, myself, and I. So